Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the coolest free AI tools out there, and it's no login needed at all. Okay, let's get started. First, open your browser and just type this address on your search bar, and you will be taken to this page. This tool will let you turn simple text prompts into stunning images in just 10 seconds. All you need to do is just tap on create and then create image. Scroll down and then just type your prompt like this. And here's tips: when you're writing your prompt, you can add keywords like 4K, ultra detail, or cinematic lightning to get sharper results. And you can also add a style directly into a prompt like a fantasy model or any model to help guide the AI. The more detailed you prompt, the easier it is for the AI to generate an image that matches your visions. After that, you can adjust the aspect ratio, or and then you can adjust the AI model, and then just hit generate. And see, you get high quality image that you can use for anything like social media or blogs or poster or just for fun. This platform is super beginner friendly, fast, and totally free. So go ahead, try these tools and start creating your own AI art today. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.